May 7th, 8th, and 9th, 2021. Blood and bullet, bathed weekend, 400 plus injured or killed by guns. When are we going to be done? Mr. Speaker of the United States Caucasus, we are the huddled masses of bullet-riddled carcasses laid down by gun violence. Do you see me standing there? Do my cries echo and ring in your ear? Do you smell the freshness of my breath? Are you aware you have the power to wash it all away? It was just an ordinary day. Now my famous last words. Dead, here I lay. Do you even know my name? What drove you so insane you thought it acceptable to kill and maim? I wonder, are you even humane enough to take the blame? America the beautiful, life here a deadly game. I was a frontline worker, running on below empty, missing my family. I just wanted to enjoy my opportunity to escape my private bubble and try to forget the horrors I see working in a COVID IC unit. But I didn't see them standing there. I didn't hear people scream in terror. I didn't feel a rush of fear. I did not smell iron upon the air. I sensed nothing after the bullet took my life. May 7th, 8th, and 9th, 2021. Blood and bullet bathed weekend, 400 plus, injured or killed by guns, and still no actions have begun. When are we going to be done? Mr. Speaker of the United States Caucasus, we are the huddled masses of bullet-riddled carcasses laid down by gun violence. Sick of your silence, incensed by your senseless condolences and prayers for which no one hears. We demand you take a stand and implore a ban on guns of war. Take bump stocks out of grocery stores and seriously explore this epidemic horror before one more life is shot to pieces. But it seems peace is worth less to Congress than worthless words and tearful dress. Just set the tax and assess the facts. Address the violence is fucking cancerous. The best tests for prognosis are the National Rifle Association, every politician accepting their donation, and every civilian assisting the infestation by demanding access to automatic weapons. There are no ifs, ands, buts, or it depends. If you wish to no longer attend funeral services for family and friends, the violence and silence must fucking end! Mr. Speaker of the United States Caucasus, we are the huddled masses of bullet-riddled carcasses, victims of this madness. May 7th, 8th, and 9th, 2021. Blood and bullet bathed weekend, 400 plus injured or killed by guns, and still no actions have begun. When are we going to be fucking done?